Welcome back to Shib, everyone. Shiba currency is genuinely ruining credit cards like MasterCard and Visa. Breaking news. One of the most well-known meme cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu, is an Ethereum substitute for Dogecoin. Shiba Inu has been having difficulty because its price dropped by more than 88% from its peak. But following several drops, a new trend for Shiba Inus is evident as prices have been rising recently. The price of Shiba Inu has increased by 36% throughout the past day. This happened following the announcement by principal developer for Shiba Inu, Shoshiro Kusama, of the launch of the eagerly expected Shibarium, the platform's L2 blockchain. Kusama said in a tweet that Shibarium would be out shortly after the new year, which has helped the price of Shiba Inu. It will take time to determine whether this increase of Shiba Inus will continue. We will discuss how Shiba Inu coins are essentially eliminating Visa, MasterCard, and other credit cards in this video. Shiba reports. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. On January 6th, let's see what Shiba Inu gets up to. Shibinu has increased by 3% in the past day. Shib has increased 3% during the past day to trade at about 0.008519. With returns over the last 30 days of almost 6%, Shibinu has done well in the first 5 days of the new year. The asset is still 9% negative, nevertheless, as the new uptrend hasn't yet been able to offset the weak December performance. As per the caller announcement made by Binance today, January 6th, it has removed and stopped trading for the corresponding spot trading pairs, which are NIC SHIB, SGBP, Alpha, SLBNAS/CLR, and DAR. Customers can access the tokens supplied for spot trading through various trading options connected to the exchange, and they effectively pair volition and an active burn. Binance wants to provide its users with a better experience as the Shibarium solution draws closer. The development team has shared a lot of information on the eagerly anticipated event, SPAL, on Twitter. The team refuted claims that certain Aster tokens purportedly needed a functioning bit in order to make use of the collar network. Developers claim that when it comes to Shibarium, BONE is still the lone token of choice for state fees and utilization. Furthermore, the team stressed that Shibarium is a part of the SHIB assembly and its assembled installation to develop a segment of the developing Shibarium ecosystem. Demand for risky assets on Friday was driven by U.S. economic figures. Wage growth and a contraction in the non-manufacturing sector were the driving forces behind the shift in attitude that propelled the Nasdaq index surge, as the U.S. jobs report and the ISM non-manufacturing PMI reduced expectations of a hawkish February Fed interest rate hike. The S&P 500 gained 2.28% and the Nasdaq index increased by 2.56%. Investor excitement on the Shibarium upgrade is contributing to the optimistic session. In its most recent update on the Shibarium upgrade, the Shibarium network stated, "We wanted to remind everyone that BONE is the necessary gas token for Shibarium operability in our previous post. Additionally, we formally declare that every Shibarium trade will result in the burning of SHIB." The Shibarium network continued, saying, "Right now, we are concentrating on delivery. Watch this space for more details as our beta launch draws near." For updates on the protocol, kindly follow at Shibarium and our official portals. An optimistic SHIB morning session with greater burn rates was reinforced by this news. SHIB with a favorable price. A whale shifted a huge SHIB stack worth $28.7 million in the last day, causing Shibu to drop 3%. SHIB had a good start to 2023 because the meme coin had been rising over the first 5 days of the year. But the asset turned back towards a fall, easing nearly all of the gains from the previous advance. At this point, SHIB investors are still 3% ahead of schedule in terms of weekly returns. However, these gains are still far lower than the 7% amount observed yesterday, indicating that the coin's recent gains are being erased by the decline. According to information obtained from the cryptocurrency transaction tracker Whale Alert, a significant Shiba Inu transfer was observed on the Ethereum blockchain over the previous day. A total of 3,373,250,628,500 SHIB were moved during this transaction. At the time of the transfer, their combined value exceeded $28.7 million. It seems that this transaction involved unknown addresses for both the sending and the receiving parties. These addresses are probably personal wallets because they aren't linked to any established centralized platform. Given that a significant quantity of coins were moved during this transfer, a whale is most likely the sender. Since the receiving end is typically an exchange where selling is the goal, it is unclear what the whale meant to accomplish with this transaction. Nevertheless, the same stack of coins is now worth $27.7 million because the price dropped following this transaction. However, according to whale stats, SHIB has emerged as the most traded token among the 1,000 biggest Ethereum whales in the last few hours, which may be encouraging for holders of the coin. Similar to the whale from yesterday, this renewed interest could be for selling, but since trade has occurred after the price has already started dropping, it could also be for buying. The price forecast for Shiba Inu has become more optimistic after rising above the 50-day moving average. The well-known meme currency Shiba Inu is headed for a technical breakthrough that will alter the rules. The information was released on January 5 through the Shibarium network's official Twitter account. The developers wanted to express their gratitude to the SHIB community for generating buzz about the upcoming phased launch. The shibarium development team also refuted rumors that it would have multiple petrol tax tokens. BONE is the only cryptocurrency that can be utilized to pay transaction costs. The programming team of shibaswap expressed relief that additional tokens won't be needed to function within the protocol. Additionally, the team is collaborating with X-Fund to release the shibarium beta as soon as is practical. The goal of the shibarium shoe layer 2 solution is to create an autonomous ecosystem for the ERC20 token. SHIB, the main token of the Shibu ecosystem, saw a rise in value as well. It has anything to do with the current rumors that some of shibarium's code is up on GitHub. A progressive member of the Shiba Inu community went one step further and started a social networking website while the Shiba Inu army awaited shibarium. Ship Dream VIP, one of the members, started the Ship Army. Additionally, the social media platform Ship Dream announced that apps for iOS and Android would be accessible starting in January 2023. The Ship Army VIP app will be beneficial for news events and other community-related activities. Additionally, registered users can explore the most well-known SHIB community using the user-friendly structure. Members, hashtags, and employment openings. The discovery of SHIB Dreams caused the SHIB's burn rate to rise. The official SHIB development team is not the source of the SHIB Army. The developer, VIP Venture, also introduced SHIB Dream NFTs and helped run a Shiba Inu news blog. It might, however, cause the SHIB exchange rate to rise. One well-known Shiba Inu creator is Shoshiro Kozama. Kozama is still unidentified, although he has almost 865,000 Twitter fans. Conversely, Kozama plans to disclose his identity to the SHIB Army. On December 28, a Twitter user named ShibBPP posted an odd screenshot in one of his posts. In the image, which shows a Discord chat Kozama made, he says that he and his tutor realized it would be hard to stay invisible by the end of the year after talking. Many users of the well-known K9 currency seem to have calmed down in the wake of Shoshiro Kozama's holiday message, while the SHIB community waits for shibarium. The unexpectedly high incidence of SHIB burning served as evidence. Moreover, SHIB's worth rose after the remark was made. We're done for today. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.